adjust the sound real quick. Yo, test, 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 test. All right, test. All right, cool, cool, cool. Test, test. I like that. I like that. All right, chat. Welcome to the stream. Today is day 71 of live day trading NASDAQ futures. Today, I did again trade off stream, so it's not really a live demonstration or live trading session. Today is just a recap. So I wanted to recap today's session. I took 3 trades. The first trade was a sort of counter trend trade on low time frame. So as you can see here, I've got this recent break of structure, bullish. Okay, as you can see, price is bullish after the Asia Open. Break of structure, we had a move up. Price was struggling to come down, and for me, I took it as an early, I guess it was a premature double top and inducement trade. So this is a counter trend trade. So I took a trade early. I shorted here, okay, and I was looking to take a short all the way to around here, somewhere low. But as you can see, really quickly, I just get wicked out here, and then wouldn't you believe it, price calms down and it would have hit TP right there. If I had improved my entry, if I waited to enter properly a bit higher at the entry, I would have had a better stop loss position. For example, if I entered here, I would have had a better stop loss, maybe. I don't know, this is a bit far, bit of a stretch, but yeah, unfortunately we lost that one, so have to do some revision there. I think it would have been a bit of a better entry on the 3 minute, but oh well. Loss on trade 1. Next, trade 2. As price made this seemingly break of structure on the 1 minute, creating a new protected high here. I was looking to take another pro trend trade at this, what I thought was a protected high, a protected low, for the long trade. So I wanted to take a long from here to this protected high, and as you can see, it stopped me out, so that was an L there. So that's 2 L's, and so that pretty much wicked. It's pretty much closed out my 100k funded. To be honest, I don't have any more. Technically, I'm down the maximum loss limit, so this account is pretty much blown. And the final trade of today, as price kept on coming down. Now, this is what I actually took. Chat, I might be crazy for this. Let me do that. Chat, I might be crazy for this, but what I'm doing is I'm doing 10 50k combines, so that if I pass, when I pass 5 of them, the other 5 are going into hold for next month. Okay, so it could be crazy, it could be working out for me, but the trade I took today, and here you can see the executions, is price was coming down. If we zoom out into the 15 minute, let me just do something real quick here. So as you can see, price was pretty much coming down into this, 15 minute protected low. Okay, it went for the first, as price was coming down to sweep this first internal protected low here, as let's just say we saw only this part here. So as price was coming down, okay, price came down, swept it, and it failed to take the internal protected low. For me, that's just an initial sweep. When it retraces, it's gonna come back down lower, usually, sometimes. So what I did there is I realized, okay, on the 1 minute, there's a break of structure. We have a protected high, protected low. As price came up, I took the short. I took this nice and clean short from here, as you can see. And here's my execution, if you guys are wondering. So I took the shorts from here, and then it was just a quick TP at that point there. So that puts all of my combines 3% up. So if we look at the accounts, so as you can see, all the accounts are 3% up, 100% win rate. As you can see there, first day of September, we're up 3% on these 10 combines. So that's pretty good. on these top step combines, and then unfortunately my alpha futures is pretty much going to zero out here. Pretty much lost this one. Unfortunately, I had it was alive for a few days, but yeah, unfortunately, bit of a poor risk management on this day here. This day here, I was up 1.6, as you can see, and then I just lost it in a few silly trades. So that was a bit of a silly one there. I should have locked myself out there profit. Would have stopped me from spiraling the next day, definitely. So, and then today was just, yeah, bad trades, I would say. Bad entry and bad stop loss yet again. So on this alpha futures. Okay, chat. So that's what it is. Recap. 2 losses on the alpha futures, blowing that 100k funded. 1 win. 1 winning trade on my top step 50k combines. 3% up there. Okay, so that's day 71 of live streaming. Well, I guess this is a recap.